So we have this question on the board that has to do with ratio and division of numbers. And it says, divide 104 into two parts so that one part is 3/5 of the other. So this is a word problem. How do we tackle this? Now, there are two parts, the main part and the fractional part. So let the bigger part, which is the main part, be equals to x. And then the question says that a part of it is 3/5. So let the smaller part or the fractional part be 3/5 of the main part, which is x. Now, the truth is, if we sum the two together, the result will give us 104, which implies that x plus 3/5x will give us 104, because the bigger part and the fractional part summed together gives us 104. Now, if you look at this here, x is common. I can factorize this out, and I'll have 1 plus 3/5 is equals to 104. Now, if I add this, 1 to 3, 1/3/5 will give me x multiplied by one whole number, 3/5, and that will be equal to 104. So I can change this to improper fraction. 5 times 1/5 plus 3 gives me 8. So I'll be having x multiply 8/5 will give me 104. So if I do the mathematics, I'll be having 8x/5 will give me 104. I will do cross multiplication by saying that 8x will give me 104 multiplied by 5. And I can divide both sides by 8. I divide by 8, divide by 8. So 8, bring 8 down. 2 go here, will give me 4. 2 go here, will give me 52. Okay, so 2 go here, will give me 2. 2 go here, will give me 26. 2 go here is 1. 2 go here is 13. So I'll be having 13 times 5. So it means that the value of the bigger number is 13 times 5, which is 65. Therefore, x is equal to 65. So take note that if I add the small number and the fraction, I will have 104. So the fractional part, which is 3/5 of x, can simply be obtained by saying 3/5 of x, and x is 65. 5 go here 1, 5 go here 13. So I'll be having 3 times 13, which is 39, which means the smaller number is 39, while the bigger number is 65.